Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing amazing. So I'm going to take you through Akosombo, and I'm going to give you the drone shot and also the ground view of a project that is currently going on there. Yeah, we've been doing a lot of projects here, guys, and this one is just on another level. You can see how the place looks like. So it is in the morning, very early, and that is why you can see that it's not too much clear on the farthest end, but this is just amazing. So if you have ever been to Akosombo, then I hope you are familiar with this drone shot and also the view of the place, or you can tell the exact place where this content is being created. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming back and always watching. I'm still your host, Joy Liz, and this is your #1 updating channel on construction projects, vlogs, travel and adventure, and anything that may come in between. So guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy this video just the same way I enjoyed making it. So let's dive into the video. I can just say that if you look deeper into the ground, you just love the greenery, you love the nature, right? I love being connected with nature, and guys, if you are here by your own self, then you're going to feel the nature, the sound of nature, and you just feel like this is just so perfect. And I'm even thinking that if all our cities, all African cities, can be what I'm seeing right now in front of me, like just full of nature like this, in between the buildings, in between the modern skyscrapers, then Africa can just be on another level, because nature is just everything. Yes, so guys, you can see that the roads in between, deep down in the ground, you can see that those roads in between are very complete, and you find out that here in Akosombo, one road leads to another and another one leads to another, like they are interconnecting, and that is just so amazing. And it's much hard for you to get lost in this particular area, but I just love the view and I love everything. Development in African countries is just so mind-blowing, and if we see the infrastructures being developed, then it means that in our countries in Africa, we are going to improve our economic activity. The social economic activities are going to improve. Eyes closed, eyes closed. Wow, this is so beautiful, guys. This is the definition of beauty, right? Like, I just love the view. So this road you are seeing here is connecting to the highway, and I'm going to take you one by one until we reach there. And I just want you to be so much keen and concentrate on the state of the road, because that is the main reason as to why I'm doing this video, because I want you guys to know and see the state of the roads here in Akosombo. And also you can see the machines they are using here on the roads. Yeah, so this is just so beautiful. And or what do you think? Please drop a comment on the comment section down there. Let me know what you think. And also, if there is any place or any particular project that you want me to update you on, I'm always here. You can also suggest it in the comment section. Thank you. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you want to say to me now. I want to wake up with you now. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you now. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you now. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you now. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. If you happen to like contents like this, please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. And also, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, and also you can share with your friends and family, because sharing is caring. It helps me reach many people and also create many contents all together. Thank you so much, guys. So let me take you through this road that is being constructed here in Akosombo. It's I always love showing projects because when Africa is growing, I feel so happy, and I feel that Africa, our motherland, is changing. The face of Africa is just changing.
You got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.